Okay, this is cast WMS, or aka clay cast. And I just knocked something over here. Okay, I am truly mad at myself because I have so many crafting supplies, and sometimes I move things and I can't remember where I moved it to, and I wanted to do this video and I had some wire and I can't remember where I moved it to. But this was some wire that I bought from Home Depot, and it was truly non-traditional wire for jewelry making. And I don't know what possessed me to buy it. Maybe because it said the word wire, W-I-R-E, on it, and I thought I could use it. And it comes in a big spool. I'll try to provide a picture of it so you can see what it looks like. And what I ended up making with it is this loop earring. And I discovered that it was great for making these beaded earrings. And like I said, it's non-traditional, so it's really kind of hard to use. So the first thing that I do is, and these are all done, I thought I had one that wasn't done, is I take my round nose pliers and I make a loop at the end. And the reason for making that loop is so that when I pick up a bead and put the bead on it, and I have some, I might have to try some of these, so that the bead doesn't fall off, I make that loop. So then I string on a bunch of beads, and at the end I make another loop to hold the beads on. And afterwards, initially what I was doing was using a jump ring to hold it together, and then they would part like that with the jump ring, and I kind of didn't like the way it looked with the jump ring. And so I kind of stopped making them, because I've had this wire for a while. And recently someone mentioned something about going to Home Depot, or a hardware store rather, to buy some wires. There's a little piece hanging off there, and this is not, that's not the snip that I really use. And I probably, yeah, there's probably just like, I have some big wire snips that I use to cut this wire. So my little nice flat edge pliers don't even cut this. And I really had this for the 24 gauge. So what I did was I took a piece of this 24 gauge, and after watching Darlene Knight from BDK Jewelry, she does these wonderful wire wrap jewelry pieces, and I was motivated by her. And I think she was the one who mentioned something about going to the hardware store to get wire. I decided that, yeah, let's see, is this the one with the extra piece that I need to cut off? No, it's that one. Okay, so I'll show you what I do. I take this fine wire, which is really designed for jewelry making, and I catch the 2 hoops. And so today, right now, because I'm on video, it doesn't want me to very easily catch the 2 hoops. So I have the 2 hoops there. They're not going to stay close together because this wire has, it's like memory wire, and it always wants to pull back out almost into the circle that the spool it's on. So once I grab the 2 circles, the 2 loops at the end, and I kind of gather them together, I just do a sloppy wire wrap, you know, trying to kind of camouflage the wire that's there. And I just keep wrapping and wrapping. And because I don't have all my supplies here, I don't know that you want to watch me wrap this one. But I just keep wrapping it through to kind of cover up the wire. And to kind of also create this nice, I call it nice, wild wrap jewelry element. So after I wrap it like that, and I kind of camouflage and wrap over the wire, the original wire loops, I then use my round nose plier to make a loop up at the top, and then I wrap the rest of the wire down, and I end up, voila, I've got these nice hoop earrings, and all they need is an ear wire, and I can hang them on my ear wire and wear them. So this was a quickie from Clay Cast, or Cast WMS, just showing you something using non-traditional wire. Okay, hopefully you liked what I did. Give me a like, subscribe, hit that bell button. You'll know when I'm uploading new things. Thanks. Bye-bye.